Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Explore. In this video, we will explore logarithm topic. Before we understand logarithms, let's recall what exponent do. If we say 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8, we are saying 2 raised to the power of 3 gives us 8. Now, this is where logarithm comes in. The definition of logarithm is a logarithm is the power or exponent to which a number called the base must be raised to get another number. So formula format is e raised to x is equal to a. This implies log of a to the base e is equal to x. These both formula are correlated. Now here e is base, x is exponent of power and a is another number. So first rule of logarithm is product rule. Product rule is log of m into n to the base e is equal to log of m to the base e plus log of n to the base e, where there is division in when two numbers are multiplied inside the log, you can break it into the sum of two logs. So next is quotient rule. Quotient rule is log of m divided by n to the base e is equal to log of m to the base e minus log of n to the base e, where when there is a division inside the log, it becomes subtraction of two logs. Third is power rule. Power rule is log of m into n to the base e is equal to n log of m to the base e. There is power inside the log. You can move that power into the front. You can move that power to the front means n becomes the coefficient of log m to the base e. Now next is change of base rule. Change of base rule is log of m to the base e is equal to log of m to the base 10 divided by log of e to the base 10. Means you introduce new base for this formula. Now consider the formula format e raised to x is equal to a. E raised to x is equal to a. Here we can prove how these both formulas are correlated to each other. So first we take e raised to x is equal to a, taking log on both sides. After taking log, log e raised to x is equal to log of e. Now here you can see the third rule is log of m to the power n to the base e is equal to n log of m to the base e. So power can move to the front. So x log of e is equal to log of e by third rule. So x is equal to log of a divided by log of e. Next is e is equal to log of a to the base e. Apply fourth rule. What is fourth rule? Log of m divided by log of e is equal to log of m to the base e. Same, we apply the fourth rule. Log of a divided by log of e, we can write it log of a to the base e by rule number 4. Now you can see we start e raised to x is equal to a and we found x is equal to log of a to the base e. It's about how these both formulas are correlated. So we can say it's proved. Please like, subscribe and share.